How to solve
4 power x plus 10 power x is equal to 25 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 25 power x in both sides. So divided by 25 power x divided by 25 power x divided by 25 power x. Now from here we see x same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, I can write here 4 over 25, then bracket common power x, then plus again x same power but different base. So according to this formula, I can write here 10 over 25, then bracket common power x is equal to this divided by this, that means it will be on. Now 4 by 25 can be written as 2 over 5, then bracket power of 2. 2 square is same as 4 over 5 square is same as 25. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 10 is same as 5 times 2 over 25 can be written as 5 times 5. Then bracket power of x is equal to on. Now we see this 5 will be cancelled. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule I can write here 2 by 5 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 plus 2 over 5, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now we see 2 by 5 bracket power x, 2 by 5 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 2 by 5 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to minus 1. Now I can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means on, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means it will be negative on, then divided by 2 times a, that means on. Now we can write here y is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as on, then minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times on, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times on, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus on plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2, or y is equal to minus on minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. But remember that let 2 by 5 bracket for x is substituted by y. So y, that means 2 by 5 bracket for x. So y, that means it will be 2 by 5 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus on divided by 2. Now then or y, that means 2 by 5 bracket for x. So 2 by 5 bracket power x is equal to minus on minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 2 by 5 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 2 by 5 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so you can write here x log x log 2 by 5 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now we divided by log of 2 by 5 in both sides because we need the value of x. So divided by log of 2 by 5 divided by log of 2 by 5. Now this log of 2 by 5, this log of 2 by 5 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of a square root of 5 minus on over 2, then base of 2 by 5. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve
x power x is equal to 2 power of 8. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 2 power of 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now x power x is equal to, here I can apply this exponential rule that a power of m times n is equal to a power m, then bracket power of n. So according to this rule, I can write here 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. Now x power x is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here I can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here x will be equal to 4. So 4, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.